Are shaker cabinets still in style? The answer might surprise you. Rooted in history and known for their simplistic charm, shaker cabinets are a popular choice for many. With clean lines and no frills, they're the epitome of functional design. Stick around as we delve into the pros and cons of these timeless kitchen fixtures. So why are shaker cabinets a popular choice among homeowners? Well, let's delve into their benefits. Firstly, their affordability makes them an attractive choice for those on a budget. Their neutral design allows other elements of your kitchen to take center stage, while their versatility means they can complement a variety of design styles. Moreover, shaker cabinets can boost your property's resale value. And lastly, their minimalist design allows for easy coordination with different cabinet styles. With these advantages, it's easy to see why shaker cabinets have stood the test of time. However, no style is without its drawbacks. Shaker cabinets, while versatile and timeless, do present certain limitations. The straightforward style may not hold decorative glazes well, and for some, the casual appearance may seem too informal for more upscale spaces. The simple, boxy design demands precision in manufacturing, as any inaccuracies are glaringly obvious. Bold color choices may not highlight the cabinet's edge profiles effectively, and to some, the minimalist design may appear too plain. While these drawbacks exist, they are often outweighed by the numerous benefits. So, are shaker cabinets still in style? Without a doubt. Their timeless appeal, affordability, and versatility are unmatched. While they do have minor drawbacks, their enduring popularity is a testament to their style and utility. Despite minor drawbacks, the enduring popularity of shaker cabinets proves that they are indeed still in style.